How to change your YouTube channel name in under 30 seconds. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. So I'm in a YouTube channel right now, and I actually want to change the name of this because I'm going to be starting a new product review channel. So when you're in the dashboard, you want to head over to the customization tab, and then from here, you're going to see name. Choose a name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google devices. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So I'm going to just highlight this and change the name here. All right, so that's the new name of the channel, Jewel's Galaxy of Reviews. By the time this tutorial is out, I will have some videos on this channel. So if you want to say thank you, come check out my new review channel. If you're changing the name here, you should also change the handle. So I'm just going to highlight this and then change the handle. The handle is the link. So I'm just going to highlight that. I have to delete the apostrophe, and then it doesn't like spaces. Okay, so it's the link, youtube.com/@Jewel's Galaxy of Reviews. Click publish. To check it out, click view channel. All right, and boom, there you go. The name of the channel has been changed, and you can see the YouTube handle, which is your YouTube channel link, has also been changed. So that is it. That is how you change your YouTube channel name. If this was helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you want to check out my new channel, feel free to stop by. It'll be totally different. I'm going to be updating the profile picture, the banner, and the videos are going to get updated as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.